Hi guys, this is Christine Castellano back at you again. It's day, I don't even remember what day of quarantine it is, but it's been several weeks now. And this is my fourth part of my skincare routine as far as with procedures. We're going over procedures now. I did microdermabrasion on the one video. I did IPL, intense pulse light, on another video. And I'm up and coming is going to be peels. And this one is Fibroblast. Fibroblast is awesome because it emits energy from this little tiny tip and it helps the skin contract to tighten it. And when we have tighter skin, we have less wrinkles, we have less sagging, and also this is also great for brown spots, not and also stretch marks. But I'd still like the microneedling the best for the stretch marks. But this also helps. So right now I'm going to do a demo of how this exactly works. So this is the pen, and I'm using the Pure Bow Circle Pro. It actually is a tattoo device platform, but it has different hand pieces that you can alternate from tattooing to fibroblast, and also you can do microneedling from it. So what I am going to do now is the fibroblast. So right now we're going to look at the little fibroblast and we're going to put it on our skin, and this is how it works. And it barely touches the skin to create little tiny wounds, very superficial, on the epidermis. See, can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Okay. Yeah, I think you can see that. And the most favorite type of treatment with this is the eye area, top and bottom. It helps to give your lids a non surgical facelift by making little tiny superficial wounds that actually help the tissue contract. So, guess what happens when you contract anything? It makes it smaller. So, that's what happens. And this is an awesome experience. It's an awesome procedure in that goes in conjunction with the other procedures that we do. And I have done this on myself. It's not that easy doing it on yourself, but I have succeeded. The upper is a lot harder to do myself than the lower is to do on me personally. But I have done it, and it has made a big difference in the crow's feet and also tightening of the eye area. But you can do it on your sides of your face. You can do it in your folds. You can do it around your lips if you're a little bit crepey. This is just an awesome procedure. So it's definitely worthwhile checking it out. And don't forget, we are now offering consultations, virtual consultations. You can give us a call. You can reach out to us on Facebook. We're selling curbside products. So don't forget to hit us up. We love to hear from you. I love giving online consultations or virtual consultations. I give consultations normally in the office, I'd say a good 5, 6 a day. So I'm kind of jonesing to hear from you guys because it's just so much fun. I love helping. I love helping people with their skin issues, their permanent makeup issues, or whatnot. So please give me a call or hit me up on Facebook, Instagram. LinkedIn. I am available. And thank you for following us, and thank you for watching our videos. And I'll be back at you again in the near future, and we'll be following up with also a procedure that I'm going to be filming that I'm doing on myself. I'm doing the IPL microneedling combination. So you'll see me, and you'll also see how it heals. I'm going to follow up day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. So don't forget to follow us and keep a lookout. And I'll see you guys soon. Please be safe. Please be well. And I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys soon.